You are going to love the 2020 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. Come take a test drive today.